A very good morning, dear students, to your fourth English lesson, chapter 1.4, Revati's Musical Plants, part 1. This is a very interesting and a beautiful lesson. Okay, children, this is Revati, you can see here. She's playing a violin, and these are her musical plants. It's a beautiful story. You're going to love it. So let's go ahead. Firstly, let's talk about hobbies. Okay, what are hobbies? Do you know, children, what are hobbies? I'm sure you do. Well, listen to this video also.
We shall study a new prose chapter in English. So let's begin. Hobbies play a very important role in our lives. They occupy our minds when we are free and also make us happy. Hobbies are our escape from the real world that make us forget our worries. Moreover, they make our lives interesting and enjoyable. If we look at it, all our hobbies are very useful for us. They teach us a lot of things about different stuff. They also help in expanding our knowledge. Today's prose chapter, is also related to one of the hobbies that is loved by the character. Let's see which hobby does our character in the prose loves and what does she do with that hobby.
Okay, children, now we'll be doing an activity. I want you to think about what do you have interest in. What do you like to do in your free time? Do you like painting, cooking, writing artistically, singing, playing a musical instrument, gardening? I want you to write 3 points about your 3 hobbies. Okay? This is a chart about hobbies and free time activities. You can see all this: gymnastics, swimming, acting, singing, dancing, music, acting, dancing, singing, painting, music, reading, etc. There are so many hobbies over here. You can pause the video and you can look at all the hobbies. You'll get an idea of what you have to write. Even here, this is a chart, this is a word cloud about all different types of hobbies, so that you will be able to understand what you have to write. Okay? And later on, after you finish writing, you have to upload it on Google Classroom. Okay, children? And then at the end of the class, you have to draw and stick pictures of your hobbies. Okay? That you do after class. Now you just write down 3 hobbies of yours. What do you like to do? Okay, children? Now you can pause the video and you can do this. Now, after you have done the activity, okay, now we will read and listen to the explanation of the video. This is part 1 of the lesson. This part starts from page number 17. Okay, page number 17, that is, Revati was a student of music. It starts from there and ends on page 18. Okay, page 18, that is, but later she had been busy inside the house and had not been to the courtyard. Okay, it is from this part, from page 17 to page 18. Okay, so we'll listen to the video explanation.
Everyone, open your textbook to page number 17 and please take a pencil so that you all can mark the difficult words and write the meaning aside. Unit 1.4, page number 17. And the topic for the prose chapter 1.4 is Revati's musical plants. So we have one character, that is Revati. So let's see what is her hobby and how she explores what she does with her hobby. The title of our prose chapter is Revati's musical plants. Page number 17. I hope you all are having a pencil. Let's start. Revati was a student of music. She was happy playing on her violin whenever she was free. So, Revati was a student of music. She loves to play music. Um, Whenever she was free, she likes to play violin. And even you all, my dear friends, even during your free time, you all like to do whatever hobby you all love. For example, if you all like to draw, so whenever you all are free, or whenever you all are doing nothing, you all start exploring your hobby. Similarly, Revati was a student. She used to like, her hobby was music. Okay, so whenever she was free, she used to play her violin. There was a small open courtyard in front of her house with a small cement bench. So we see that Revati, where Revati stays, she has a small open courtyard. Courtyard means a garden, you all can say, okay, and in front of her house. And we see she sits on a small cement bench as shown in the picture. She would sit on the bench and practice on her violin. Often, sometimes you all don't like to sit in your bedrooms while you all do your hobby. You all sometimes sit in the garden or in the hall or somewhere where you all feel relaxed. You all feel uh, that this place is good for you all to be calm, quiet. Similarly, Revati likes to play her violin in her courtyard. She sits on a cement bench and she plays her violin. She would sit on the bench and practice on her violin. There were a few potted plants in the courtyard. So basically in the garden you all will see only plants. So even Revati, in Revati's courtyard we see that she is having lovely beautiful plants in her garden. While playing on the violin, one day she noted a pot of balsam plants near the wall. So one day when she was playing her violin, when she was busy exploring her hobby, she looks at these beautiful plants and she suddenly notice a pot of balsam plants. This type of plant which gives beautiful purple flowers. I'll show it to you all in the next few slides. It has purple flowers. So what does she see? We'll see. The plants were not looking normal. So when she was playing her violin, she saw that the balsam plants are not looking normal. Let's see what has happened to this plant. They had pale green leaves and their growth was stunted. Okay, pale means we all can see dull. The leaves had become dull and the growth was stunted. Stunt is no proper growth, you all can say. The plants were not growing so healthy. So what, let's see what she remembers. She remembered she had learned in the lower class that plants need light for normal growth. So in her school she had learned that plants need light. Which light? Sunlight. So these plants were not near the sunlight. It was right in the corner of her house. Um, so she remembered in her school time, remembered that in a lower class,
plants need sunlight for growth. Since these plants were not looking healthy, she remembered one of her class where the teacher must have told the students that plants need sunlight. She shifted the pot to the center of the courtyard where they were ample of sunlight. Ample means sufficient. Okay. So what did she do? She shifted the pot to the center of the courtyard where there was ample of sunlight. While shifting the pot, an idea struck Revati. Okay. So while shifting pot, an idea struck Revati. Struck means something hit it, that something, some idea came in the mind. Let's see what idea was struck in Revati's mind. Let's move ahead. Let's see what idea did Revati had in her mind. Why not participate in the best plant contest which was to be held in her colony a few weeks later? So the idea was she was thinking of participating in best plant which was held in her colony. Okay. Then and there she decided to participate. Thus, making up her mind, she watered the plants and sat down on the bench and started playing her violin. So we see that she made up her mind. She said, okay, I am going to participate in the best plant contest. And then she started watering the plants, taking care of her plants. And she, after doing after taking care of all her plant, she sat down on the bench and started playing her violin. She was very fond of the raga Mohanam. Okay, raga is a musical scale. Okay, it is a musical scale of classic musical. Okay, every instrument has its own musical scale. So even when she was playing violin, she was very fond of this raga known as Mohanam. That is the name of the musical scale. She played the raga for some times and then went in for her studies. So when after she started playing raga, after some time she played and then she went back to her studies. Maybe she's having her own timetable where she dedicates some of her time on her hobbies. So even y'all can do that thing. Y'all can spend at least 1-2 hours on your personal hobbies so that you can come up with new ideas. Every day Revati would sit on the bench and watch her potted plants. So every day Revati used to sit on the cement bench and while playing her violin she used to always observe these beautiful plants that she always used to water. They were growing well and looking healthier than the other plants in the far end of the courtyard. She can't bring all the plants together. Okay, so what she observed was that um, the plants were looking very healthier and and it was looking way well than other plants in the courtyard. One day as she was playing, she noticed a movement in her potted plants. So one day when she was playing her violin, she noticed some movement in her potted plants. They were slowly moving their stems, bending slightly towards her. So she observed that those plants were moving their stems and bending slightly towards her. She wondered means she thought why they were moving as there was no breeze. She was surprised, she was shocked, she was seeing that there is no breeze around and how come these plants are moving towards her. So in the previous 2-3 paragraphs we understood that Revati was fond of her music and she used to love playing, spending much time playing her violin. So one day, what happened is that while she was playing her favorite raga, that is a musical scale, something strange happened was that all the balsam plant that was beside her was slightly moving towards her. Let's see in the next paragraph what it has to tell us. It struck her as odd. Struck her as odd means she found it little bit strange. Okay. The next evening too she played on her violin as usual and watched the potted plants with care. So the next day also she repeated her same hobby and she was watching the plants very carefully. After some time, like the previous day, there was a definite movement in her plants. So after some time she saw that again these plants were moving towards her. They all bent towards her. This astonished and surprised her. Astonished means amazed. She was amazed and she was surprised. That day also there was no breeze. Revati sat on the bench and played a different tune, one with a quick rhythm. So she thought that let's see whether this, I think so this plants like my music, so let's play something else. Let's play a different raga. So she played a rhythm that was very quick, ekdam, a fast rhythm. She suddenly saw all plants turn away from her as though they did not like what she was playing. So as soon as she changed her rhythm, all the plants that were beside her all turned away from her as if they did not like whatever she was playing. Then she started playing her favorite tune again and the plants slowly straightened themselves and bent towards her. So we see that, so she understood that this rhythm is not liked by the plants and then she started playing her usual tone. Her surmise became a certainty. Means something she was not sure became something real. Means she was not confirmed that is this reality. When she tried all these things, she understood that she was confident that her music was loved by the plants. Her plants loved to hear her favorite tune. She kept the knowledge a secret. She did not tell anyone, not even her mother. So she kept this secret to herself. She did not tell her, she did not even tell anyone, not even a parent. She did not tell her mother. She did not tell her mother that my plants love my music and they bend towards me. She kept it a secret. Often we also have some secrets that we keep to ourselves. Similarly, Revati was having her own secret. That is that the secret was that her plants used to love her music. There were only few days left for the prize distribution to get to her great surprise. So there were only few days left for the prize distribution. To her great surprise, Revati found, found her potted plants not only taller and healthier than other balsam plants, but that they had started flowering a few days earlier than other plants. So what did she notice? That they were not becoming healthier and taller, but also they started giving flowers, because as soon as she started watering the plants responded and the plants gave her beautiful flowers. The flowers were big and brightly colored, and one of the plants had an unusual kind of flower. Unusual means different kind of flowers. Since Revati used to water the plants, these plants gave her beautiful flowers, and she was very happy. The flowers were mauve with white strips. Mauve means a little purplish color. Okay, mauve. That evening she knew she would definitely get the prize for the best plants. Okay, so she was very confident that she will definitely get the best prize. She went to bed dreaming of her plants and the new type of flowers. So she went to bed and she was dreaming about her beautiful plants and flowers. Often, whenever we have a competition next day, we often don't get sleep. We always keep thinking that okay, tomorrow is my football match, okay, tomorrow is my dance competition, and we keep on thinking one night or 2 nights prior to the competition. Similarly, even Revati was thinking over it. The next day was the all important day. So the next day it was very important for her. She got up in the morning and went straight to the courtyard to see her plants. So as soon as she got up, she did not even take a bath or anything. She just ran and she just went because she was waiting. She wanted to see whether these plants have given uh, more flowers. So she just went straight to the courtyard to see her plant. Revati blinked for a few minutes. Blinked means she was maybe she was not able to see, so she was blinking her eyes. We often blink sometimes when we can't see properly. So she blinked for few minutes. For there was neither the pot nor the plants. How sad! So much hard work she had done growing these beautiful plants, and what she got in return? That the pot of plants were missing. She looked to see if anyone has moved the pot. She thought maybe her mother must have moved the pot to some other place. So she was searching all over her courtyard. She searched all over. She asked her mother. Her mother said she knew nothing, neither about the pot or the plants. So she had kept a secret from her mother. So yes, her mother was not aware about any such kind of pot and plants. If she would have informed her mother, maybe her mother would have helped her. But since she kept it a secret from everyone and even from her mother, even her mother was not aware about her pot or the plant. Some of the neighbors had been to their house the previous afternoon and had remarked at the beautiful flowers and healthy looking plants in the pot. Remarked means a good comment or good compliment on her beautiful flowers. So her mother and she was having a small conversation where they remembered that some days before her neighbors had come to their house the previous afternoon and had remarked at the beautiful flowers. But later she had been busy inside the house and had been not to the courtyard. But later she said that she had been busy inside her household work. She was doing her own work and had been not to the courtyard. So her mother said that she was busy in her household work and therefore she did not have time to go outside the courtyard. So we will see in the next part whether she finds her beautiful pots of plants or whether she doesn't attend the competition she was thinking of, because this competition was of best plant contest, and since her plants were missing, we will see in the second half whether she finds the plants or whether she just gives up and she thinks that okay, fine, if I'm not getting the plants, it's fine, I won't participate. Let's see in the second half what secret and what new ideas will Revati be doing. So in the first half we saw that she was fond of music, and also we see that she was where she used to play her favorite raga musical tune, and she almost used to spend most of her time playing violin. And she was one day she made up of mind where she wanted to take part in this best uh, best plant contest, and she was ready. She made up her mind. She was watering her plants. Then these plants, after some days, started giving beautiful flowers. Her plants loved her music. Whenever she used to play violin, all these plants used to move towards her. But one day before the competition, when she went to sleep at night, she was dreaming about these beautiful plants. The next morning when she got up, it was a very important day for her. But what